Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own custom shapes and turn it into a fully clickable navigation button. By the end of this video, you'll have a working navigation menu in PowerPoint that looks great just like this. If you enjoy creative PowerPoint tutorials, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with a blank slide and upload the image you want to trace. Go to Insert, select Pictures, and then click on this device. Once inserted, right-click and lock the image. Next, go to Insert Shapes. Choose Freeform Shape to start tracing. Click and drag along the edges of each area to trace them. Apply the same steps to every area you plan to turn into a clickable element. Here's a quick tip. If you want to merge multiple shapes into one, just select all the shapes you need, then go to the Shape Format tab. Click on Merge Shapes and choose Union. Continue tracing. Once done, remove the background image, so you're left with clean, clickable shapes. Let's add a background image and a heading to this main slide. Then, add some color to the shapes, so your clickable map really stands out. Use this first slide as the main interactive slide. Now, create a new slide that will serve as the destination when a shape is clicked. Add a background image to the new slide. Adjust the image so it fits nicely on the slide. Insert a rectangle shape as a background for the text area. Remove the shape's line, then apply the gradient fill like this. Then insert a text box to add content headings and descriptions. Now, let's apply a typewriting animation to the description. Select the desired text box, go to the animations, and look for a brush color in the emphasis section. Go to Effect Options and select a brush color that stands out from the background. Duplicate the slide and change the text and image to preserve the typewriting effect. Update the new slide with its content. Here's a quick tip. To create a better typewriting effect, match the fill color to your background image. And use a contrasting brush color so your text stands out clearly. Now, create more slides. Each will be the landing slide for each shape when clicked on the first slide. Set the typewriting effect to start with previous to play it automatically. Now, Return to the first slide to set up the navigation effect. Select a shape, then go to Insert Action. In the mouse click tab, select a hyperlink to. Then pick Slide from the list. Pick the slide that this shape should navigate to when clicked. Repeat the same steps for the other shapes. Next, let's create a button on each slide to return to this main slide. Insert a rounded corner rectangle from the Shapes menu. Let's give the button a name. Customize the font type and size. Then go to Shape Format and choose Shape Effects. Pick a bevel effect to make this shape look more like a button. Format this shape. Choose Gradient Fill and modify the transparency value. Apply a contrast shadow to make the button more visible. Give the button some padding for better spacing. Now, go to Insert and add action to this button. Select a hyperlink to then pick First Slide. Copy this button and paste it onto all the other slides. Now, select all the slides excluding the first slide. With the slides selected, right-click and choose Hide Slide. Let's try the navigation effect. Since all the other slides are hidden, the slideshow ends after the main slide, and that's exactly what we want. Let's head back to the first slide and try clicking the shapes. This is Perlis, the smallest state in Malaysia. Try clicking the back button. Back to the first slide. Let's try with other shapes. At this point, you are all done. Here's a bonus tip. You can embed any images within the shape for a unique look. Copy the shape and paste it into the corresponding slide. Go to Format Shape Picture or Texture Fill and insert your image. For my landing image, I'll add some depth to it by adjusting the shadows and 3D rotation. Let's make the picture fit perfectly inside this shape. Just head to Shape Fill and select Tile Picture as texture. Tweak the values to move the image around inside the shape. Let's add some animation to this shape. First, select the image, then go to the animations. Click the drop-down arrow to see more options. Choose an entrance effect that fits your style. Go to the animation pane and set this image to start with previous. Now, remove the navigation effect, since we copied this from slide 1. Go to Insert Actions, then select No. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below for more creative PowerPoint tutorials like this.